Why every culture created cosmic symbols. Why, across thousands of years of human history, did civilizations separated by enormous distances create symbols of the sun, moon, stars, planets, and heavens? Ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, Greece, Rome, India, China, Mesoamerica, different languages, different religions, different civilizations. And yet, again and again, humanity looked toward the sky and created symbols. Why? Welcome back to Astrology from an AI perspective. Today we explore why every culture created cosmic symbols, not as proof that the stars control human destiny, not as a horoscope, but as an exploration of one of humanity's most fascinating habits, turning the unknown into something we can understand. Imagine looking at the night sky thousands of years ago. There are no satellites, no space telescopes, no modern physics, no photographs of distant galaxies. The sky is dark, enormous, and mysterious, but it also contains patterns. The sun rises and sets. The moon changes shape. Certain stars appear in recognizable arrangements. Planets move against the background of stars. Seasons return. The same celestial cycles appear again and again. For ancient humans, these weren't just beautiful observations. They were information. The sky helped people understand time, seasons, agriculture, navigation, and the rhythm of life itself. But humans rarely stop at observation. We tell stories. The sun became a symbol of life and power. The moon became associated with cycles and change. Stars became guides. Constellations became heroes, animals, gods, and mythical creatures. The heavens became a language, and this happened across cultures. Ancient Egyptians associated celestial objects with their religious worldview and created elaborate astronomical traditions. Mesopotamian civilizations carefully observed the heavens and developed some of the earliest recorded astronomical systems. Greek thinkers transformed many celestial stories into mythology and philosophy. Indian traditions developed sophisticated astronomical and astrological frameworks. Chinese astronomers carefully mapped celestial phenomena and connected the heavens with cultural and political symbolism. Across Mesoamerica, civilizations developed complex calendars and closely observed celestial cycles. The details were different, but the pattern was remarkably similar. Look upward, find order, create meaning. Why would this happen so often? One explanation is practical. The sky was humanity's most reliable large-scale clock. The movement of the sun helped define days and seasons. The moon provided a visible repeating cycle. Stars could help travelers navigate. Celestial observations helped civilizations organize calendars. So cosmic symbols were not created in isolation. They grew from humanity's daily relationship with the heavens. But there was something deeper. Humans naturally search for patterns. We see connections. We categorize. We remember stories more easily than isolated facts. A constellation isn't simply a group of distant stars. Once given a story, it becomes memorable. A pattern becomes a character. A celestial cycle becomes a myth. A difficult concept becomes a symbol. Perhaps this is why cosmic symbolism became so powerful. It transformed something enormous and abstract into something human. The stars are unimaginably distant, but a story about a hero among the stars. Veils close. This is where mythology and astronomy began to overlap. The physical sky remained the same, but different civilizations interpreted it through their own cultures. The same moon could represent different ideas. The same sun could have different names. The same constellation could become completely different stories. The universe was shared. The symbols were cultural. And artificial intelligence gives us a fascinating way to examine this pattern. AI can compare enormous collections of mythology, historical texts, astronomical records, calendars, and cultural traditions. It can identify recurring themes that appear across civilizations separated by thousands of years. And one pattern becomes especially interesting. Humans repeatedly use the cosmos to represent human experiences. Birth, death, love, power, transformation, time, order, chaos, hope, fear, the unknown. Perhaps we created cosmic symbols because the universe gave us the largest mirror imaginable. We looked outward and saw ourselves. The stars became symbols of permanence. The moon became a symbol of cycles. The sun became a symbol of life. The changing seasons became symbols of death and renewal. The heavens became a way to talk about human existence. But there is an important distinction. The fact that cultures created cosmic symbols does not mean that the symbols scientifically control human lives. Symbolism and scientific causation are different things. A symbol can be culturally powerful, without being a physical force, and perhaps that makes the story even more fascinating. Because it means cosmic symbolism tells us something about human beings, not necessarily about what the universe wants from us, but about what we want to understand. We wanted to understand time, so we watched the sun. We wanted to understand seasons, so we watched the heavens. We wanted to navigate, so we learned the stars. We wanted to understand existence, so we created stories. And perhaps, we wanted to feel that our lives belonged to something larger. So we placed human mining among the stars. Thousands of years later, our technology is completely different. We have satellites, computers, spacecraft, artificial intelligence, telescopes that can observe galaxies billions of light years away. Yet, we still create cosmic symbols. We still name stars, still create stories about space, still imagine civilizations on distant worlds, still look upward and wonder what might be out there. The technology changed. The instinct remained. Maybe humanity has always done the same thing. We look into the unknown, find a pattern, and turn the pattern into a story. That may be the deeper reason cosmic symbols appear across so many cultures. The universe is vast. Human life is brief. Symbols give us a way to connect the two. They allow a small human being, standing on one small planet, to imagine a relationship with something almost infinitely larger. And perhaps, that is one of humanity's oldest traditions. Not simply looking at the stars, but looking at the stars and asking what they might mean. If you enjoyed this exploration, subscribe to Astrology from an AI perspective for documentary-style videos exploring astrology, astronomy, mythology, psychology, philosophy, ancient civilizations, artificial intelligence, symbolism, and humanity's timeless relationship with the cosmos. Until next time, look upward, stay curious, and remember, every civilization had its own stories about the sky. But the human desire to create those stories may be universal.